Hello hoppers and welcome to Bergamo, Italy. You saw how I arrived here on a Ryanair flight. Tomorrow I'm going to Milan. I'll show you guys that. I'm going to explore the city. You know that it has an upper city and a lower city. Right now I'm in the lower city. Let's say it's a little bit more modern. And then you have the upper city, which is up there. And that's where I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna walk up. You can walk up if you want, but it's 32 degrees out. And I'm going to take a funicular. I decided to stay in the lower town in a hotel that is sort of close to the station, to the train station, and also it's very close to the funicular that goes up to the top. So that's why I stayed down here. Okay. Go up the stairs, or you could take the funicular. There it is, right there behind me. It was a 5-minute walk, okay? That's why I stayed where I stayed. I'm gonna buy the tickets there. You could also get it with a credit card, I guess, but I'll just get more information this way.
Ciao ragazzi!
Sì?
Ah, devi filmare quando timbra?
Sì.
Prego, è giusto?
Prego, sì. Let's go all the way up. The ticket was $130 and I'm already in the funicular and I got a one-way ticket because I'm gonna walk down.
Non so se qui già vai stato preparato. Uno tiene il volante, l'altro. Vieni in presa per andare sulla pagina. Ah sì, perché all'università scendi, la stazione. Olè.
Prego.
We're here, hoppers. Okay, let's see what they have. Okay, so this looks so beautiful. I love these little towns. You can tell I'm really enjoying it. I just got here. My goal with these trips is to just enjoy the moment. I definitely want a gelato. I want an ice cream. Just walk around, visit everything I can, and then I'm gonna walk down. They do have a little tour bus here. If you don't have too much time, because I'm leaving tomorrow and tonight I have dinner at this nice restaurant, sometimes it's good to just take a little tour like that and just see everything really quickly. Although the fun part is to really stay here a few days and walk and enjoy the people and the food and just the experience. Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk it because, you know, the streets are narrow, there's a light breeze, and yeah, I want to go now. I'm not gonna wait for a bus. No, there's so many tourists and there's so many sweets. Yeah, this is also tempting. Can't come here and not taste these beautiful pastries. You come to one of these places, you have to immerse yourself into the culture, my friends, my dear hoppers. And you have to taste these delicacies, right? Yeah. What do you think? And look at these big ones. The first thing I'm gonna do is buy water. The Vespa. Oh my goodness, look what I just found. The sun is facing us. I hope you can see it. So check this out. Oh, those stairs over there are beautiful. And isn't that the symbol of Venice? This was part of the Venetian Empire. The walls were built by the Venetians. That's the symbol of Venice, if I recall correctly. There's just so many details, so many things. I've always loved Italy. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going a little crazy here. I love this stuff. Oh my goodness, look at this. You know, the facades of these churches are usually made of marble and all different kinds of color marble. So that's how they make the designs, and it's just beautiful. There must be a wedding in there or something. basically, that's a baptistry. That's where you baptize people. That reminds me of Etcher, right? So I'm going to go in. Oh, what a beautiful little couple. The beautiful chapel inside. Chapel Coleoni. Are we talking about the Coleonis from Brooklyn? It's really tiny, but it's nice. It's very pretty. Very ornate. Oh, there's another one there. Let's go in there. Another entrance here. Ah, yeah. Okay. This is the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore. So this is an important monument to go to. Let's go in. This one is €3 per person. Okay, I'm going in. Entrata. Look at this tapestry. It's huge. It's like a rug, but on the wall. It's huge. For music lovers, Giovanni Simone Mar. It's breathtaking. Doesn't matter what religion you are. I mean, these buildings are so beautiful. It has nothing, well, for some people it most definitely has something to do with the religion, but it's just the art here. It's incredible. And now we're gonna go to the Duomo, the cathedral. If you haven't had enough churches, well, we'll go see another one. We have this in Santiago de Compostela. It's really famous. It's to burn incense, and they used it when the pilgrims would come so it wouldn't stink up the place. This is the back of Santa Maria La Maggiore. I think that's how it's called. Okay, so take a look at the pavement. They're rocks, they're rounded rocks, so wear appropriate shoes for this type of floor. And this is very common here in Europe. So I always bring like flat shoes, sneakers, you know. So now I'm looking for the wall, and I just found it, and oh, the wall is really high. I'm gonna go this way. They have these little maps that you can follow, but I always like to use my apps, Google Maps. And I'm looking for the wall, and look, Google Maps knows exactly where it is. Cool. Wow. Bello, bellissimo. You can hear Vespas. I'm just like walking around trying to get lost. I like to do that. See, when you get lost, you find these wonderful places. So it's a hat store. The funicular is that way, so I'm gonna go that way. I have a friend who's a cello player, professional cello player, and a cello teacher. I don't know what they have there. I think they have coffee, but this t-shirt says Olympia, and that's my mother's name, so I'm gonna go in there. I said I was only gonna have ice cream because I have a dinner tonight, and it's really tiny, so it's acceptable for me. It's made of polenta, and I'm sitting in such a beautiful place. It's really good. I don't know what I mean, it's polenta, yeah, but I don't know what's inside. Ah. It's very sweet, but it's really good. And with the bitter coffee, the espresso, delicious. Seriously, I think it was the perfect combination. That polenta, whatever, I'll put the name, and espresso, delicious. Beautiful square. Saw the sign. It said that there was like a botanical garden and also a natural science museum. I'm leaving tomorrow to Milan, and I still want to buy my ticket and at least check the schedule. Maybe I won't buy it, but I'll check the schedule. Alright, there's a sign for the funicolare. This way. Oh, gelato. Yeah, it's a sign. I have to go in there. Delicious. I got it. Coffee. Nice and cool. So I noticed that where we were before, it's called Piazza Vecchia, and they have nice restaurants there if you want to have lunch or whatever, because before it was sort of empty, but now there are more people. And I'm going to go to an archaeological area. I see a sign over there, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, so there's a sign. Let's see what's there. You also have toilets that way, to the right. Okay, it's down here. Let's see what we find. I'm going down the stairs. I didn't see anything until I looked here. Ah, here we can see it better. You see my shape, my shadow, whatever it's called. So that's what it is. See, that could be a MuchoHop Vespa, right? That looks delicious. Was this one here before, or did it grow? I don't know. It's huge. It was good. Very sweet. I really, really liked Bergamo. I loved walking around and seeing everything, and it's really beautiful. Now I'm going to take the funicular back, and I'm going to have a special dinner at a rooftop, and I'll show you guys the view from there. I hope it's nice, at least. I'll show you anyway, even if it's bad, okay? So I am at this rooftop restaurant in my hotel, and I get a view of the upper city of Bergamo. Delicious. Delicious. So isn't it dreamy? It's so beautiful here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao! Buongiorno, hoppers. I just left my hotel room. I'm going to walk to the train station, and I'm going to Milan now. So later on I'll show you how I got my ticket. It's really, really easy, and I'll tell you guys later. I'm gonna walk to the station because Google Maps said it's only